Hello, I'm Austin Heisick with Mate Precision Technologies. Welcome back to another Mate Workholding tutorial. On the table in front of me is one of our Mate DynoLock bases and DynoGrip vises. In addition to our Mate DynoLock bases, DynoGrip vises, our 5296 modular 0-point workholding system includes dyno mounts and numerous workholding accessories to allow you to configure a setup for your specific application to reduce setup and cycle times and keep you in the cut for longer. Today, I will be demonstrating how to utilize the Poke Yoke system, or the error-proofing system that comes standard on each of the Mate DynoLock bases and DynoGrip vises. The error-proofing system eliminates any potential misloading of the Mate DynoGrip vise into a Mate DynoLock base. To utilize this system, you will install an M5 socket head cap screw into one of the 4 threaded holes on each of the Mate DynoLock bases. You will remove the plug from the hole and install the socket head cap screw in your desired orientation. You can then tighten the socket head cap screw utilizing the Mate torque wrench kit. With the socket head cap screw installed, the Mate DynoGrip vise can only be loaded in one orientation. On the bottom of each Mate DynoGrip vise is a counter bore that will accept the head of the socket head cap screw. If you attempt to load the vise in the improper orientation, the socket head cap screw will prevent the vise from loading flush onto your DynoLock base. With the vise installed in the proper orientation, the vise will install flush onto your DynoLock base and you can tighten your lead screw to secure your vise. When you have completed your machining operation, you will simply loosen the lead screw on your DynoLock base and remove your vise. You can then remove your socket head cap screw. You'll set your socket head cap screw aside for later use. I will then re-plug the hole to avoid any chips or contaminants from getting into the hole. And now you have seen how to set up and remove the error-proofing system for your Mate DynoLock base. To learn more about the Mate Workholding products, please visit us at mate.com and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.